So I welcome you all on my channel Biology Central. This is Vijay Punia in front of you. In previous video we have talked about the metaphase, and this is the last and final video of the cell cycle, and then I'll be ending this series also. Let's talk about the anaphase first. So as soon as the anaphase promoting complex just provide a signal to the cell for leaving the metaphase and entering in the anaphase, the cells which has the chromosomes which already have started to divide, okay, this is centriole and these are the spindle fiber which are attached to the chromosomes. Now these spindle fibers start to depolarize, and the depolarization continues until they finally take the chromosome from the equatorial plate to the pole, and the movement of chromosome will something be like this. Okay, so there will be a V shape on both of the sides, and this is the starting. जब ये क्रोमोसोम सारे के सारे यहां तक पहुंच जाएंगे, at that time the anaphase will be completed, and anaphase is just the movement of, as the metaphase was just the movement of chromosome from scattered condition to a metaphasic plate condition, and anaphase ended metaphase ended when the chromosomes were just stretched out and were taken apart from each other and towards each pole. The anaphase is when in early anaphase the depolymerization starts. In mid they are just in between the pole and the equatorial plate, and as soon as the anaphase ends, the chromosomes have reached to the pole. But there is something called cytokinesis. So as soon as the condition of cytokinesis starts, what time is that? When the chromosomes are just about to reach, okay, when chromosomes are just about to reach the cytokinesis of the cell starts. Okay, so the cytokinesis in animal cell and in plant cell are of two different type, and today in this video I am going to discuss about the cytokinesis also. This cytokinesis starts by assembling of the contractile protein on the lower side of the presence of plasma membrane. Now these contractile proteins are just assembling, there is no movement, there is no contraction have started, and that contraction will start as soon as the telophase starts. So the starting of cytokinesis is in the end of the anaphase. Just right before the end of anaphase the cytokinesis starts, and as soon as the telophase ends, the cytokinesis is about to complete. Okay, with this we are on to the telophase, and the telophase is the last phase in which it is just said the reversible of prophase. And what happens in it? 1. Decondensation of chromosome into fine chromatins. Okay, fine chromatin structure. The decondensation of chromosome starts into the fine thread of chromosome. Second condition, the vesicles of what? Mitochondria. Golgi bodies. In case of plant cell it is plastid. Nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum. They all start. So as soon as the nuclear membrane starts, the endoplasmic reticulum formation also starts. just helped out by the previous vesicles that were present. The Golgi bodies also starts to form, and apart from this, lysosome also starts to form. Now this is just reversal of you know that in prophase, the mitochondria and all of these, everything written here, just denatured, just fragmented into the vesicles, and now they are rearranging themselves to make a cell, to start the transcription, translation, and to complete the G1 phase, because cytokinesis is a separate condition that is happening in the center and does not have any relationship between the nuclear formation. Okay, so let's move on to the next part, which is cytokinesis. And this cytokinesis is of different types in animals and plants. Okay, in animals it is known as cleavage furrow method. This is a cell. The contractile proteins are stacked and arranged on the equatorial plane of the cell, just under the plasma membrane. The next condition will be these contractile proteins will start to contract, and as soon as the contraction starts, this will make the cell like this. Okay, and this continues. Now this is a centripetal condition, centripetal cytokinesis, and finally when the two meets in the center, this vesicle, the contractile proteins are dissolved and plasma membrane just take their independent nature. Okay, so this was a simple cleavage and furrow method. Let's talk about the plants. And in plants there is something which is known as the pre-prophasal band. I have told you when I was teaching you about the prophase, and this pre-prophasal band was the stream of cytoplasm so that the nucleus can be pushed into the center, and the actin and microtubules are present like this. Now these microtubules will help the cell for the cytokinesis, as I have told you earlier also, that this band, this phragmosome, or you can say pre-prophase band, this will help in the cytokinesis at the end, and I've told you that I'll be telling you this in this video. So if you have not checked out that video, just go on to I button and you can check out the prophase video, which is in very much detail and a slightly longer video. So this is a cell, and this cell will, the nucleus is divided, the chromosomes have reached to the poles, and the Golgi bodies. Now when the telophase started and the reassembling of every endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi bodies started, the Golgi bodies started to release some vesicles, and those vesicles are known as phragmoplast. Now this phragmoplast is responsible for making this harder. The vesicles are stacked on this equatorial plane, and then this equatorial plate is from the both sides will be covered by the calcium and magnesium pactate salts, calcium and magnesium pactate. And mind you that calcium and pactate and magnesium pactate are main ingredient in cell wall formation of a cell. So this will be the new cell wall, and the central this phragmoplast will be the future middle lamella. Clear with this? This is future middle lamella. इसके साथ साथ यहाँ पर ये जो ग्रीन कलर का शेडेड एरिया है, इसके साथ साथ सेलुलोज, हेमीसेलुलोज, जैसे भी सेल को डिफरेंशिएशन करना है उसी हिसाब से उसमें सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स भी हो सकते हैं या कुछ भी चीज, मतलब जो एक सेल को एक कंप्लीट एंटिटी प्रोवाइड करेगी। एक तो है ये सेल प्लेट मेथड जो डिफरेंट है, हायर प्लांट्स में होता है। एक सिंपल मेथड है, दिस इज दिस, सॉरी आप forgot to written the name, this is cell plate method. And one more thing, the deposition of the vesicles released by the Golgi apparatus are centripetal, no, they are centrifugal, which means the deposition of the vesicle started from the central portion and they just moved outwards. The second condition is same as the animals, that is cleavage condition, and that cleavage condition will be something like this. The central protoplast, or you can say plasma lemma. Now outermost is cell wall under which plasma lemma is present. That plasma lemma will start to move inside like this. And as soon as they meet up, there is a complete formation of two cells, and this area will again be completed by the calcium and magnesium pactate salts released by this cell and this cell. If anywhere the salts are less, or you can say the Golgi vesicles are not stacked particularly, that is known as plasmodesmata. Okay. So the holes between those two cells are known as plasmodesmata, and this will be the formation of the two daughter cells in a plant. So I am hereby ending the topic of cell biology, this cell division, and tomorrow we are gonna start with the meiosis. In the next video we are gonna start with the meiosis, that is reductional division. Thank you so much everyone. Just make sure to like, subscribe and comment on this video, and if you want additional videos on some other lectures, you can just put a comment. Thank you so much. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you.